Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online classes. The other day I was chatting to a friend of mine who's recently got a new job at a language school in Poland. And he was saying how much he's generally enjoying the job, but the one downside is he's expected to be in the staff room every day, Monday through to Friday, at 8:30, even if he's not teaching in the morning, because he's on cover duty. Which basically means if one of his colleagues fails to turn up for class or suddenly phones in sick and says they can't teach that day, he has to be ready to go and teach at the drop of a hat. If you say that somebody does something or is ready to do something at the drop of a hat, it basically means they do it or they're ready to do it immediately without stopping to think about it. So, you may have heard people complaining about the increasingly litigious society we exist in, where people will file lawsuits or threaten to take people to court at the drop of a hat. Maybe some of you have heard similar stories to one that affected another friend of mine, where he was working for a big design firm and his boss told him that the company was going to be selling their London offices and moving to Manchester. And my friend was basically just expected to up sticks and move at the drop of a hat, just like that, without really much time to think or without time to consult his friends and family and kids and so on. You may also perhaps have had the misfortune to encounter in your life those angry men who are always ready to fight at the drop of a hat. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button, share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use at the drop of a hat.